Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nandapurna Art and Travel Journeys. Nandapurna Art and Travel Journeys by Europe Tour Vlog Day 11. Rome to Abu Dhabi to India, 16 June 2019 Sunday. Journey back home. Hello friends, welcome to the final day of my Europe travel blog. Day 11 marked the conclusion of my unforgettable Europe journey as we traveled from Rome to Abu Dhabi to India, carrying countless memories, experiences, and moments to cherish forever. This is the final vlog of my Europe tour series, day 11. In this vlog, I begin my journey back home from Rome, Italy to India. Travel route includes Rome to Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi to Mumbai, and finally Mumbai to Nagpur. This journey is filled with emotions, memories, and reflections from the entire Europe trip. From exploring iconic destinations to experiencing different cultures, this tour has been truly unforgettable. Watch till the end to relive the final moments of this beautiful journey and experience the emotions of returning home after an incredible international trip. Travel route Rome to Abu Dhabi to Mumbai to Nagpur. If you enjoyed this Europe vlog series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. Thank you for being part of this journey. Hashtag Europe Tour, hashtag Final Vlog, hashtag Rome to India, hashtag Travel Vlog, hashtag Journey Back Home, hashtag Emotional Vlog, hashtag International Travel, hashtag Travel Memories. Here I am sharing photos and videos from day 11. This journey was filled with beautiful cities, rich history, diverse cultures, scenic landscapes, and unforgettable experiences that will remain close to my heart forever. Stay tuned for more updates from my travel adventure and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel for more travel stories. That's a wrap for day 11 of my Europe adventure. Get ready for a visual treat. I'm excited to share photos and videos from day 11 of my Europe adventure. Stay tuned for more updates, behind the scenes moments, and travel tips from my Europe journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more travel updates. Your support truly means the world to me. Day 11 Travel highlights Rome to Abu Dhabi to Mumbai to Nagpur. First, morning at Rome Hotel. Breakfast, checkout, and free time. The day began at our hotel in Rome, Italy. After enjoying breakfast, we completed the checkout formalities. We had some free time to relax, revisit memories of the trip, and prepare ourselves for the return journey. Second, transferred to Rome Airport. After free time, we were transferred to Rome International Airport Fiumicino for our onward journey back to India. Third, flight from Rome to Abu Dhabi. We boarded Etihad Airways for our international flight aircraft Boeing 777-300ER flight number EY086 departure Rome Terminal 3 16 June 2019 11 am flight duration 6 hours 5 minutes non-stop arrival Abu Dhabi Terminal 3 16 June 2019 7:05 pm. Fourth, connecting flight from Abu Dhabi to Mumbai. On the same day, we continued our journey with Etihad Airways to India. Aircraft Boeing 777-300ER, flight number EY206. Departure Abu Dhabi Terminal 3 6 June 2019. Flight duration 3 hours 15 minutes non-stop. Arrival Mumbai Terminal 2 17th June 2019 2:55 am. Fifth, train journey from Mumbai to Nagpur. After arriving in Mumbai, we continued our journey home by train. Train number 12859 Gitanjali Express departure Mumbai 6 am arrival Nagpur 6:50 pm. Journey duration 12 hour 50 minutes. Sixth, end of an unforgettable Europe journey. With our arrival in Nagpur, the 11-day Europe tour officially came to an end. And just like that, this beautiful journey comes to an end. From the magical streets of Paris to the peaceful landscapes of Switzerland, from Germany's history to Italy's charm, every moment became a memory for life. Today, as I travel back home from Rome to India, my heart feels both full and emotional, full of unforgettable experiences and emotional because it's time to say goodbye to Europe. But this is not the end. This is just a pause because journeys may end but memories stay forever. Thank you for being a part of this incredible series, for watching, supporting, and traveling with me through every vlog. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because many more adventures are coming soon. Until the next journey, goodbye Europe and hello home India. Hashtag Europe Tour, hashtag Europe Vlog, hashtag Travel Walk, hashtag Travel Diaries, hashtag Journey Back Home, hashtag International Travel, hashtag Travel Memories, hashtag Vlog Series, hashtag Wanderlust, hashtag Wonder Life, hashtag Rome to India, hashtag Rome to Abu Dhabi, hashtag Abu Dhabi to Mumbai, hashtag Mumbai to Nagpur, hashtag return journey, hashtag flight journey, hashtag long haul journey, hashtag airport vlog, hashtag transit vlog, hashtag Rome vlog, hashtag Italy vlog, hashtag Abu Dhabi airport, hashtag Mumbai airport, hashtag Nagpur, hashtag incredible India, hashtag back to India, hashtag travel from Europe, hashtag vlog life, hashtag Delhi vlog, hashtag YouTube vlog, hashtag viral vlog, hashtag explore more, hashtag travel reels, hashtag content creator, hashtag travel content, hashtag end of journey, hashtag travel series, and hashtag memories for life, hashtag home sweet home, hashtag back home, hashtag travel stories, hashtag journey ends. Thanks for watching my Europe tour vlog day 11, Rome to Abu Dhabi to India, 16 June 2019 Sunday, journey back home. Thank you for being a part of my Europe travel journey. I hope you enjoy traveling with me through these vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories and memories.